This is the third in the Marble Run series by Rocker. This is called the Hip Hop Street, no, Marble Run. And as you can see, this is a DIY kit, no. Ibig sabihin nun, kailangan mo siyang buuin para maging ganito yung look niya, and it's composed of 134 pieces. And build difficulty niya is 3 out of 5. So medyo madali lang naman. Ilang hours pa binuto? Mga 4 hours, no? And as you can see, it's the theme here is yung hip-hop street nga. So you can see meron dyan sa taas mga streets, you have the roads, yan. Tapos meron rin ditong tren, no? Or subway. Tapos meron rin ditong basketball court, oh. Dito yata eh, diba? And then sa ilalim, meron ka dyan yung mga obstacles for skateboarding, no? Meron siyang power supply which you can put power bank on it. Tapos meron ditong power sa gitna na pag press mo, it would activate yung marble run, no? So the way it works is yung marble, paakyatin niya dito, and then hayaan na lang niya yung gravity na para makababa yung mga marbles, no? So this is the third as mentioned, no? Yung una, nag-unbox na tayo at nagbuo na tayo nung dalawa, di ba? Dalawa na. And as you can see here, dalawa na, no? And this is the third one. So, ang maganda kasi dito, you can connect, if you have 2 of those already, you can connect either sa taas or dito sa side, no? Para magmukha siyang continuous na umiikot siya. So, yun lang.